Hi guys, now today we will study about the application of dimensions. That means here we will see that there are three application of dimensions, in which the first one is application of dimensions. First one is in the conversion of units. Now from here we can see that we can convert the units of a physical quantity, that is from one unit to another one. That means now from here we can convert the units of a physical quantity. So how we can convert? Then first of all we should know about the types of units. So now from here we can see that we have the units of its division, like that the first one is in FPS system. FPS system. Second one is CGS system. CGS. So CGS system. Now the third one is MKS system. So here FPS stand for foot, pound and second. Okay, so FPS system stand for, this one stands for foot, pound, second. That means foot is the unit of length, pound is the unit of mass, and second is the unit of time. That means from here we can write down that this one is for length, this one is for mass, and this one is for time, like that. Now accordingly, if you talk about CGS system, then here C stand for centimeter. G stand for gram, and now S stand for second. So you can see from here that centimeter, this one is for C, that is C stand for centimeter and centimeter is for length. Again G stand for gram and gram is for mass. And then S is second and this one is for time. Again, now for MK system, you can say M, that is meter. So this one is meter, M stand for meter and meter is for length. Consequently, K for kilogram. And kilogram is the unit of mass. Similarly, S for second. Now here you are seeing that this part SS This part is common in all three system of units, where the changes that takes place in mass. So there is found for different system of units. So there is pound, gram and kilogram. Again, you're seeing that length is for different system. There is pound for FA system, centimeter for CJ system and MKS for and meter for MK system. So this one is the system of units. Nowadays we are using a unit that is globally accepted, and that unit is called SI system. Okay, so a note be there, that a unit, a system of unit, a system of unit that globally accepted is called SI system. Here SI stand for System International. System International, or in our talk, this is called International System of Unit. This one is called International System of Units. Okay, right now in this SI system, which one is accepted? Either FPS, CGS or MKS. So you should keep in mind that in SI system, this one is accepted, MKS. So this one is accepted. Okay, so now in this conversion of unit, that is now from here we can convert the units of a physical quantity. Okay, in conversion of unit, from 1 units to the another one. Right. So how we can? So in this conversion, you need to apply its concept. So the concept is, see, what is your concept? Nu is equal to constant. So from here you are seeing that there is two letters. First one is N, second one is U. So N stand for magnitude and U stand for unit. That means N for magnitude. Magnitude, that means any numbers. And here is U, so U means units. So units of physical quantity, that means any physical quantity be there. So there is any physical quantity. Any physical quantity be there. Okay, so any physical quantity be there. That means what? So from here you see that N and U, product of N U, that is equal to constant. So we have to convert. That means you have to enter from one system of unit to the another one. So what you will do at here? So it is very easy that if N U and for its NU will be different. But now here we are going to enter from one system of unit to the other system. So there is N and U will also be changed. So how? So you suppose for first system of units, let it be N1 U1. So this N1 U1, this is equal to also constant. So simply you can write down this one is constant and you just take it equation 1. So consequently for second system of units, let it be N2 U2 and that is equal to constant, and this is your second equation. So what you are seeing here, that both are constant. So if both are constant, that means this one is equal to this one. That's why from this equation 1 and 2, that's why here you can write down that from equation first and second, what you are seeing, that first is equal to second. Then simply you write down that N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2 and this one is your result. Let it be equation third. So this one is your result. Now from here, that how you will implement this equation. So here I am just going to take an example. So if you take example 1, so what is this? That convert 1 Newton of force from its SI system into CGS system. So for its solution, you have to just use the equation, and the equation is N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. So you see that if this one, and you just take it equation 1, and if this one is in CGS system, okay, and if this one is in SI system, so what you can conclude, 1 Newton. So this one is N1 and this N is U1. So accordingly you have to convert in CGS system. So this U2 is in CGS system, then here you have to find N2 first. Okay, then now just you put here in place of N1 there is 1, and now the SI unit of force, that is 1 Newton, so 1 N be there. Now accordingly you have to find this N2, and the CGS system of force is dyne. So this one is dyne, but you have to go through in the extended form, that is kg meter second, like that. So see from here, this one is Newton is written as kg meter per square second, and 2 you have to find, and now the dyne, that is in CGS system, so kg is written in gram, meter is in centimeter, and second there is no change. So you know this one is in CGS system and this one is in ampere system, that is in SI system. So kg meter per square second is the unit of force, that is Newton, and gram centimeter per square second is the unit of force in CGS system, that is time. So you just find out N2. Now from here you are seeing that N2 is equal to, you just divide this one here. So N1 is your magnitude in SI system. So if anything multiplied by 1, so there is no effect on the resultant. Okay. Then from here we just write down kg by gram. Here is meter by centimeter. And now here is per square second by per square second. Right? Then you see that this magnitude that comes from CGS system. So everything you have to convert into its CGS system. So what you will do, that N2 is equal to, now kg is in gram. So there is 10⁻³ gram divided by this g, that is gram. Now from here meter is in gram, so meter is in centimeter, so 10⁻² centimeter, that is 100 centimeter divided by centimeter. Again here per square second, there is per square second, there is no conversion. You are seeing that this one, this one, this one and this one will be cancelled. So from here you are getting the magnitude N2. Therefore N2 is how much? 10⁻³ into 10⁻². So resultant be 10⁻⁵, and you just supposed to be equation 2. So you see from equation first and second, what you are getting, that from here you just you have taken this one equation 1, so you just take it equation 2. So and now you just take it equation 3. So from equation second and third. Okay. So from this equation you see, just put the value, because N1 is 1, so there is 1 Newton. Now put the value of N2, N2 be 10⁻⁵. So this one is 10⁻⁵, and there is 9. Right? That means what you are getting, that 1 Newton in SI system, that is stand in CGS system, and that is equal to 10⁻⁵ die. And this is your result, and equation 4 be there. So this one is your result. Okay. So accordingly you can take different questions. So right now I will take some other questions also.